yourself what it's triggered in your mind subconsciously when subliminal messages are decoded and influence your perception. Signs, symbols, codes, hidden interpretations. Let me help you decode them and use them to reach your financial freedom.
Welcome to Million. I am Cristina Balea and I will be your mentor in your journey to become the next $1 million brand and get your financial freedom. And this is my goal. My goal is to help you reach there. Now, a few years ago, I was the one seeking for a better life. But I promised with myself, I promised the universe, if I will get my success, I will help other people get their success. And throughout all this journey, I manifested wonderful things. And now it's your time to be successful. Now it's your time to be the next $1 million brand. In nowadays, I see so many people struggle and so many companies and big brands fail. If you don't distinguish yourself from your competitors, you will probably fail. And this is why I made this course. And throughout my journey, I did so many discoveries. I have 12 years of experience in business, and I made outstanding discoveries that changed my perceptions and changed the way I manage my business. It allowed me to scale my business to 7 figures and move out to an exclusive location in Spain with my son and live a life in freedom, in joy. And I want you to achieve your dreams and achieve your financial freedom. And what I will reveal to you, it will totally change the way you perceive things, and it will totally change the way you manage your business. It doesn't matter if it's a restaurant or a bar or a club or a store, agencies, hotels, local businesses, digital products. It just doesn't matter. This course is for everyone. Everyone that wants to be successful. Following my guidance, it will allow you to crush your competition and build a loyal following that will trust you and buy everything from you. To give you a hint of one of the secret strategy, just think of this. Have you ever wondered what's happening in the mind of your consumer subconsciously to trigger the buying behavior? Yes, so this is all about a science that I've discovered, and just because I have a passion for psychology and neuroscience. And this science, I will teach you to use it in your business. But we have to start from zero, because having $1 million brand requires more than using just one strategy. And choosing a name requires to have a brand concept. This course is composed in 10 modules. Taking your idea to realization, choosing a memorable name, and building your brand identity, choosing your mission, and building your foundation, your core value, the heart that it's beating for your brand, and brings it to life. We will analyze your market, we will analyze the psychology of your customer, we will choose an outstanding design that has a big impact in your marketplace. We will talk about typography, product packaging, labeling, printing, and then we will use all that in our marketing strategies and advertising strategies. We will have a full marketing module where I will teach you all the secret strategies that the biggest brands in the world use and how to apply them and create an outstanding content that will sell, that will have a big impact in your marketplace. Then we will learn about advertisement and management, leadership. I will give you the best tips and a plan of attack. That plan of attack will make you the next $1 million brand. And to help you achieve your plan of attack, you will need those 2 bonuses. First one is SEO, how to optimize your website so you can rank on the first page in Google. Then is the traffic booster that helps you bring more traffic to your website. And those 2 bonuses are essential to complete your plan of attack. I've put so much work in this course to deliver the best content and deliver the best information. But you know what? It's totally worth it because you're worth it. I want to help you reach your success and help you becoming the next $1 million brand.